Hi everyone, today we will present how to deal with the battery short circuit. When we receive the battery, it is in the sleep mode. We can activate it through charging. Now the built-in Bluetooth is connected to the app. Then we will display the situation of short circuit. After the short circuit, the battery enters the protected state. We can check it here. At this time, we disconnect the positive and negative terminals for about 10 seconds. Our new updated protection board will function and turn off the protected state. Let's try it again. Disconnect the positive and negative terminals after the short circuit for about 10 seconds, and the protected state will be closed. Then we can normally charge the battery.